Aye, misty.
Oh, should clear up.
Okay.
Okay.
No feet down. It's all about timing. Timing and planning.
See, for next year, I'm going to buy a black one of these.
Aye, because you look like a Power Ranger. Well, that's a wee stop at Kildeen Services to adjust our bikes. I've adjusted the screen, this bit, because I put bar risers on it and I was getting a little bit of buffeting, so we'll see how that goes. Tell you though, it's starting to warm up though, Alec.
It is, eh? Now, Sean, how come I've got both my feet flat on the deck?
Because your bike's intelligent, unlike you.
No, I moved it from dynamic to road.
Is your mic in the right spot?
You hear me now? Even the earplugs in, you can hear that.
I know. It's noisy, eh? Ah, these bar risers are good, like.
You good? More comfortable.
Aye, I seem to be sitting up more upright now that I've adjusted the wind deflector screen. It's like riding a bubble again.
Good.
Several cars coming.
Several cars just not leaning across the road.
Aye, fucking right.
It's a bus car.
We'll not,
I'm not good.
I will not argue with
I'm
him.
not going to believe him.
No.
So if I get the van pulled up, there's no spaces. I'll breathe it.
There's a space here. Oh man.
You ain't flashing at your tick. I didn't see it.
Fuck off, tit. Flashing me and I'm in the inside of the fucking lane. Fucking wank bag, man.
No.
Because he thinks he's fucking something special because he's driving a fucking Luton, eh? Sorry mate, I've driven fucking much bigger. Much bigger.
I've driven bigger with a car licence.
Thanks, pal. That wee Skoda, he moved over and I thanked him and he even heard me. He must be busking because he can't afford a pair of shoes.
It'd be better if he could sing.
I know.
Look, he's braking again.
Because he's a tit.
It's not even a fucking bend.
He's not even going fast enough to brake.
Wait, you brake that? Oh, and Charlie's going to that outside just in case.
Well, the cars have already came through, but nah, we'll just sit here. We'll get past them in a wee bit. Oh, I like your sticker.
We can do that then. Oh, Dennis. 21.5 degrees. I think I need to take that t-shirt off and put on.
My bike's saying 22. Well, I've already got the visor open. Bloody hell, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. I've seen that, it's no bad when you're moving.
Well, it was like this and then
That hole in the wall was there a few weeks ago when we were up this way, wasn't it? Hiya. I think they would just fix it, eh? Because they bloody traffic lights, they'll be about £800 a week.
easy off.
Right.
Now you just touched the brakes and not more. What was the fucking point?
Exactly, because that hasn't made a blind bit of difference. Oh, he's on the brakes again. What a fucking spanner.
The brake was overtook.
Aye, he did. As soon as you overtook him, he hit the brakes. Because he's on the brakes again. Get off the fucking brakes. Just fucking take your foot off the gas, you fucking plum. On the brakes again. Fucking Jesus. And again.
That's seriously bad driving.
Yeah, it's terrible driving.
Right.
And they can't even stay on the fucking right side of the road. It's right up to the line. You are an absolute fucking tit.
Good round here.
He's braking again. Fuck me, man. Just take your foot off the gas. Go and hit the brakes, I told you.
He's car.
What a fucking rocket, man.
The rocket.
Hit the brakes. You're going round the bend. Come on, brake it. Give it some brakes. Christ, he's on the brakes again. Christ almighty. There's nothing in front of you except dusty.
Not even already.
Huh?
Yeah, that's the man for this blue cam.
He's fucking drinking a coffee.
What?
Aye. What a fucking arsehole.
That's as bad as when they fucking smoking on the bike.
Aye, I know. Well, he dropped his vape at Peterborough when we came back from Europe. 70 mile an hour vaping.
This is fucking stupid.
Especially when on the comms all you can hear is... It's annoying, like. Cracking scenery, eh? Shame you can't see the lock with the trees, eh?
Look, look,
Oh, smell that, burning logs.
well,
I want to come back to life as a burning log. I love that smell, eh?
it looks like a button lock.
I've dropped a few burning logs in my time.
Nearly fucking stopped.
It's the only thing about coming up here, eh? It's these bloody camper vans, eh?
It fucking stopped. There's nothing in front of him.
As a cyclist.
Oh, push brake.
Camper vans and cyclists. But you can't say anything against the cyclists because it's all about walking, wheeling and cycling. I don't know what this wheeling shite's all about, like. I know what walking and cycling is, but I'm not sure what they mean about wheeling. Wheelchairs?
That camper van's not going any good, is it?
No. Get in front of the camper. The camper's all coned off, eh?
Aye.
We've left room for that bike to get out as well, eh? The Brock Cafe. Ah, let's see what this is all about, eh? Quite expensive, you were saying, eh?
Well, two teas, two cakes, was 13.5 quid.
Bloody hell.
I know. So the Green Welly's not that bad.
Just as well you're loaded, eh?
Right, okay. Quite a sociable start now.
Aye, that wee woman was nice, eh? And our dogs were really friendly, eh? That petrol station must finally be shut. That's the second time I've passed it and it's been closed up. I know. Look at that view, eh?
But in the winter it's fucking dead down here.
Bikers come in. Mind this is average speed cameras, Alec. And pass. You never get tired coming up here, do you? Look at that. Never get tired. What's going on here? Oh, get the visor open. What the hell's going on up here?
Yeah.
We're practically crawling. Oh, fuck's sake. We're doing like 6 miles an hour.
Oh. 6.8. Huh?
That 0.8 makes a big difference, eh?
That's a good thing, this here, you can open the front of it.
I went to lift the front of this helmet up and then realised that it's my full face helmet I've got on there.
And with your camera attached to it.
Oh, I wear my flip up for work, eh? I wear that black shoe buff.
Aye.
That C5 thing, eh? So I can't wear that for long periods because it hurts my head. But it's alright going into work and back, it's absolutely fine, eh?
That was your new one, wasn't it?
Aye, I buggered up with the size, eh? Oh, it's just too small, eh? Oh, I'm roasting.
Oh, it's starting to get a bit hot now. Sweaty balls.
Aye, so have I.
I've got this dynamic, it's jipping like a kangaroo.
A kangaroo?
Kangaroo! So just put it on road.
Mm-hmm. What the hell's it so slow for?
It's fucking Tyndrum, innit? Busy as fuck because the sun's out.
Yeah,
Right, time to do some fucking up the middle of the road job.
I think so, I'll let this car pass. Let's see how many cars try and block us. Because they're fucking bell ends like that.
You should be trailing those guys.
Look, all you can see is cars.
I think we need another lockdown for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, we should just tell these cunts to fuck off. Right, after this white car.
Just us coming out.
Smart thinking, shitty linking. I worked with him for 3 months, that was enough.
Stop for the lights are fucking green. Jesus Christ.
Because he's an arsehole, a complete and utter arsehole. That's the lights at red now, eh?
For fuck's sake.
I know. The Green Welly, if you want to get ripped off, go to the Green Welly. They will happily rape you.
It's Nelly Welly.
Mm-hmm.
But if you pass the Green Welly, little shopping, right? Absolutely rented.
Yeah. Do you want to stop at that little shop and we'll get an ice cream?
Aye, that sounds even better.
Aye, I'll treat you to an ice cream. Because you're a fucking melt. How does that sound?
What's some hot stuff?
Mm-hmm.
You smell.
Mm-hmm. Right guys, don't stop at the Green Welly because
Top.
they're cowboys. This is where you stop if you're coming up here. You'll get rolls and sandwiches and all that crap. Well, certainly sandwiches and meal deals and all that here. Yeah. Right, into neutral, stand down, and off we go. Right, let's get you an ice cream.